Hey guys, I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install BONOSS Forge FD cooling wheel spacers on your car. Let's get it. Using all the nuts that fasten the wheel to the hub in the sequence of a star-shaped pedal, but do not fully remove them. Step on the brake pedal to prevent any change of the vehicle rolling. Remember to place a jack stand under your vehicle and adjust it until properly supports the vehicle. Finish removing all the nuts on the raised wheel. Spray brake cleaner on the wheel hub assembly and the rotor head and wipe it down with the emery coat. Wipe down the entire hub surface by a tool. Install the wheel spacer in place. Thanks for watching and have a great day!